भी ऐसे ही रास्ते होते हैं जहाँ से लोग गायब हो जाते हैं. We left the house around 2:30 and the plan is to go there, enjoy the beach, and then we'll watch the fireworks. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
I should learn something.
Oh my god, I thought it's like it's towards the beach and it was on my face.
Oh my god.
Okay,
We're here.
Yeah,
Let's
here
go.
is good. It's 4th of July and we're at Newport, Rhode Island. So come with us, let's celebrate America's 250th Independence Day. This is seaweed?
Yeah,
It's red seaweed.
It's a different kind of water.
Oh wow, it looks so beautiful. थोड़ा सा donkey सा.
I don't want my bicycle to die. There are lifeguards on duty. What do they say?
Yeah. So now we're going for the cliff walk. Somewhere there. We're finally here at the cliff walk. We made it. Now we're here at Chandler. And then 40 Steps, Ochre Court, Vinland. The Breakers looks really pretty.
Breakers is the biggest mansion.
There are like multiple private properties and public areas, and towards the end of it we'll stop at a spot and वहाँ से हम fireworks देखेंगे, so it'll be really fun. This was the most scenic trail I've ever done. Some more chit-chatting along the way and a little get to know each other. Then we headed to 40 Steps so that we could go a little bit closer to water. Being a water baby, I couldn't resist myself and I just wanted to soak my feet in the water. After walking for a little more while, we stopped again at this university and just rested in the hammocks that were out in the lawn.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, we can have a good vlog.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna show us how she can do hip hop.
Okay.
Hello. It's already a year ago.
I think we should
Come
also
on.
start walking.
Yeah.
And
That's the bell to get out.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
No, no. I think it probably goes on every hour.
Yeah.
So what's this property?
Actually did it. That is for cars, no?
That looks like a beautiful house too.
It's the Breakers.
The Breakers?
Biggest mansion.
Oh. This is one of the best mansions here.
Look on your right. It's very cool.
Yeah, even the logo and everything, it's giving me Harry Potter vibes actually.
Giving you what?
Like Harry Potter vibes.
That's exactly.
Yeah, that's why.
more like Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. And then we hit a dead end. Or at least it seemed like it.
Wait. Oh, this is blocked.
Yao was very courageous and she was like, let me see. What are you guys talking about? But this one we can see. Oh, it's pretty cool. The echo. And then we found it wasn't a dead end at all.
You have to go down, no?
See, this is the kind. Oh.
नीचे जाना है
पहले पानी कूदा के खाने वाले थे.
Exiting every point you saw in between pockets. Get out of there.
Yeah, see?
Previously, I didn't record this area, but then now I'm gonna be careful. Stay alive.
We need to find food.
Yes, food is very important.
The thing is, it's 8 already. We can't sit down.
Yeah, so we'll have to grab something and leave. This was not a bad walk at all.
We've not finished it.
How much do we have left? Anything. By this time, we were already starving because we had only had breakfast. All we could think of was food. Oh!
Fire
That's fireworks.
That's not fireworks.
No, thunder.
Yeah.
Fireworks नहीं होने वाले.
But कुछ तो दिखेगा.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
इसमें तुम्हें रहना. रोड वॉक करके जाना होगा इसमें. The road not taken, guys.
The road not taken. This is the last bit of it.
Ira, we have to end it together. We started it together.
It's 8:33 and we're done. We're done with it. By the time we got done with the trail, थोड़ी बारिश होने लग गई थी. So now we were debating whether we should head back or go take a rest, see the fireworks. So here's what we did. Half of the group went and got food. I know. I'm so glad I ate that extra one. 4th of July, and then half of us wanted to try if the fireworks were still happening. It's raining. Sadly, they got cancelled. Mostly ऐसे ही रास्ते होते हैं जहाँ से लोग गायब हो जाते हैं. बारिश बढ़ गई है. We were stranded, without food, without water, without any transportation. We need to reach the car and we're 45 minutes away. And कोई Uber नहीं आ रही है और कोई Lyft नहीं आ रही है, तो we're just walking. Shrikant is so sweet. He literally went to every restaurant to ask if the kitchen was open. Everything's closed, guys. Sadly, they were only offering drinks. Every place has a lot of drinking options but no food options. The kitchen is closed. And we're still 2 hours away from Boston. So, and we're half an hour away from the car now.
This looks good, baby. It's what? Drinks only.
It's madness. We finally found a cab. Finally found. Finally, we found Domino's.
Yeah, ever.
11. Today we are alive because of this man.
Oh wow. No, I really don't want that.
बन गया.
मतलब it's showing in the Domino's package.
खाना आ गया है. Finally, after 2000 years and 12 hours. ये किसके लिए मंगाई है इतनी? Why is it so much? बहुत adventurous day था. And that's it. Happy 4th to 50th. You must be thinking that we spent the whole day just walking to see the fireworks and then we didn't even see anything. It's kind of sad, right? But the universe has its own way of surprising you. We're getting like a preview. But these are not. These are drones. Performing country. Oh yeah, it is. Oh. Life has its own way of happening. Sometimes the best things happen when you least expect it. Now that I think about it, maybe we would have never gone for that cliff walk if we knew that the fireworks would be cancelled. So it was a good thing that we got to see the drone show one day before. Wow.
Turning out to be the best day.
Liberty. We saw the whole orchestra performance, drone show, and then we watched one of the most beautiful sunsets. thank you for watching. You know the drill. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.